Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the New Jersey Hubs Under-13 tussle where the sprightly Jaguars faced the regal Royal Titans. The coin spun in Jaguars' favor, opting to bat first in a game that was about to etch a gripping tale of dominance.
And what a spectacle we had. The young Jaguars roared onto the pitch with a strategy as sharp as their namesake's claws. The stage was set, the players ready, and the air crackled with the promise of youthful exuberance meeting the challenge head-on.
Amidst a ballet of willows and cherries, the Jaguars' innings was an odyssey of runs, punctuated by a cascade of extras from the Titans. A narrative of resilience and foresight played out, setting a daunting target for a royal chase.
Indeed, the Titans' arsenal seemed to falter under the weight of extras, gifting the Jaguars a treasure trove of runs. The Jaguars spun a web around their opponents, weaving a score that seemed a peak too steep for the Titans to scale.
The Jaguars pounced with Ganapudi's steadfast 32, anchoring the innings. Partnerships were scarce, but the extras, they flowed like a river, bolstering their total to mount a veritable fortress.
Tactical astuteness from the Jaguars turned every crack in the Titans' armor into a torrent of runs. Wade Sojitra's bowling shimmered briefly, but it was the extras that shone, unwittingly padding the Jaguars' prowling stride.
Royals' pursuit crumbled, the Titans' innings a patchwork of single digits, flailing against a disciplined Jaguar ambush. It was a spectacle of bowling finesse, snaring the Titans in a net of subjugation.
As Shan Kumar and crew rolled in, it was more than the Titans could handle. Wickets tumbled like a house of cards in a gusty wind. The Royals' resistance, fleeting and fragile, disintegrated under the Jaguars' watchful eyes.
Ganapudi not only led with the bat but also starred with the ball, a true all-rounder's day out. Shan Kumar's lethal spell was the nail in the coffin for the Titans' hopes.
The Jaguars prowled around Ganapudi's prowess, and Kumar's bowling was the heart-stopping climax of this thrilling saga. Their performances etched in the annals of this under-13 duel, a testament to their burgeoning talent.
In a gripping culmination, the Jaguars clinched victory by a commanding 131 runs. The Titans were outclassed, outplayed, and overwhelmed in this youth cricket drama.
A resounding triumph for the Jaguars, a narrative of assertive cricket that left the Titans in their shadow. The breadth of this victory, colossal, as the young Jaguars left their mark on the New Jersey Hubs cricketing stage. Like a scene from The Lion King, the Jaguars reigned supreme over their kingdom. Today's match was a chronicle of inevitable ascendancy, a tale that will echo in the halls of the Hub for times to come.
The Jaguars' juggernaut, the crushing claws of victory, has left an indelible impression. As they march on, this victory will be the wind beneath their youthful wings, propelling them into cricketing lore.